Is your smart TV not responding to voice commands? You speak, but nothing happens. No action, no response, just frustration. Don't worry, I will show you simple fixes that actually work. Let's fix this step by step. Step 1. Check the remote microphone button. Voice control only works when you press and hold the button. Do not tap it quickly. Press and hold, then speak clearly. Also check if the remote batteries are low. Replace them if needed. Step 2. Restart your smart TV. This refreshes voice services and system memory. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. Wait until the TV fully reboots. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Voice control needs stable internet. If the signal is weak, it may not work. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then check connection status. If possible, switch to 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Step 4. Enable voice control settings. Sometimes voice control is turned off. Go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Voice, then turn on voice control. Allow all permissions if prompted. Step 5. Check microphone permissions. Microphone access must be enabled. Go to Settings, then go to Privacy, then go to Permissions, then enable microphone. Step 6. Update your TV software. Outdated software can break voice features. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then go to Software Update, then select Update Now. Install any updates available. Step 7. Repair your remote. If the remote is not properly paired, voice may fail. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. Wait for pairing confirmation. Step 8. Reduce background apps. Too many apps slow down the system. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Select apps and press Force Stop. Step 9. Clear voice app cache. Voice Assistant apps can get stuck. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then select Voice Assistant. Select Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless needed. Step 10. Advanced fix, reset remote and TV. Remove batteries from remote, unplug the TV from power, wait 60 seconds. Reconnect everything and try again. If you still face any problem, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Your smart TV voice control will now work smoothly and respond instantly every time.